A repost don't mean shit to somebody who ain't got shit going on.
Or they'll go to your link.
Because motherfucker, right, a motherfucker might go to your link and might purchase something or might see something new that they like. But when you ain't got nothing going on and you want to repost and you get that repost and you ain't get no followers, you ain't get no traction from it, is because the motherfuckers that went to your page seen that you didn't have shit going on. You didn't have nothing to land them on. You didn't have nothing to keep them there. So at the end of the day, you got to work hard. You got to put your content out. You got to market yourself. You got to be an animal on them fucking socials, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Twitter, whether it's Instagram.
Nothing work but work. If you a rapper right now, you do music, it's nobody responsibility to put you on but you. Your work is going to put you on. Your work is going to get you noticed. When you doing your thing and you doing it right, when you hot, you don't have to tell nobody you hot. The people going to tell the people that need to know that come looking for you that you hot. And once they tell them that, people was going to find you. Trust me. I done had some big people. People going to find you when you hot and you doing your thing. So stop. You don't have to tell nobody you hot.